Today I want to go over a couple of important steps that you should take so hopefully we can prevent the loss of your DJI Avata or even the FPV drone. The first thing you want to do is you want to set up ESC beeping, which is electronic speed control beeping, which makes the motors make noise. I just press my C1 button. And now if the drone goes down in tall grass or something, it can easily make a noise that's as long as the battery isn't ejected from the quad. The other thing is to prevent you from having to take a walk is you want to set up the flip over after crash or turtle mode as it's called. Now to get these set up, it's actually very easy and you should do it at home before you go out and fly. What we want to do is have everything hooked up, so let's go ahead and get into the goggles and set it up. So the first thing we want to do is go in the settings. Then what we're going to do is go into control. And then what we're going to do is go into remote control. Now as you can see, I already have mine set up here, but for C1 single press, I want to have it set to ESC beeping. And then on double press, I want to have it set to turtle mode. So that's all you have to do to set this up. It's actually very simple, but the problem is once you get out and you start flying, if your drone goes down, you get panicked and you really don't remember these things. So if you automatically set it up so you've got C1, just a quick little beep, that way you can find your drone. Now, like I said, this can be very important to do. Hopefully this helps you, and we'll catch you again on the next one.